Alright, today we're going to do a full lot walk. I'm going to do a detailed overview of all the new inventory, and I'm also going to point out the existing inventory, tell you a little bit about it. Let's get started. First up, you've seen this one on the lot, 1965 Pontiac Le Mans convertible, GTO clone for $33,900. More existing inventory, a 1969 Chevy Chevelle, priced at $27,900. Moving on to a 1971 Chevy Chevelle, priced at $31,900. We're getting close to the new inventory, hang in there. Next up, we got a 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner, priced at $39,900. All of these you've seen before, but the next one is new on the lot, 1955 Chevy 210, priced at $37,900. Alright, moving on to some more new inventory. Don't see too many of these on the lot. A 1967 Chevy Chevelle station wagon, priced at $25,900. Next up, you've seen this one before, a 1991 Pontiac Trans Am convertible, priced at $15,900. And just behind it, another one you've seen, a 1971 Chevy Corvette convertible, priced at $27,900. Right beside it, another new one to the lot, a 1973 Volkswagen Carmen Ghia, priced at $21,900. Back-to-back new inventory. Next up, we got a 1970 Chevy Nova, priced at $31,900. Another new one, another 70s Chevy Nova, priced at $28,900. This one's no stranger to the lot, a 1967 Chevy Camaro convertible, $34,900. Next door to it, new to the lot, is a 68 Chevy Camaro, priced at $39,900. Next up is another new one to the lot, 65 Ford Mustang, priced at $29,900. You've seen this one before, a 1977 MG Midget convertible, priced at $69,500, skipping over a sold one. Moving on to a 1985 Chevy K10, priced at $14,900. You've seen it before. And next to it, 2012 Jeep Wrangler, priced at $34,900. Back to some new inventory, last but not least, a 1966 Chevy C10, priced at $21,900. Alright, we're going to have some exciting new updates coming up the next week and the weeks following. Thanks for watching. You all have a happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you next week.